How many more black lives must we continue to lose? Priority of life over death is a choice cops refusing to choose. America, are you that scared of black people? They've always been climbing that long, steep hill, brought on slave ships against their will, forced to work your tobacco and cotton fields, stamped from the beginning for the kill. America, why do you hate black people so much? There's a rich history of black culture that continues to touch. From music, dance, fashion, sports, art, and inventions, yet you still harbor a strong will of negative intention. America, when will you learn to respect black people? Been hunted and killed, pressed and stepped on, not seen as humans and less than equal? There's no need for that sequel. Has the world gone insane? The narrative has got to change. A nation fractured and running on broken promises, devastating violence and collective traumas. My heart breaks for a community full of families burying and mourning their own. It's too much pain and suffering no person should have to carry alone, leaving eyes red from tears and feeling weary. The world watched George Floyd with a knee to his neck, clocking in at 8 minutes and 46 seconds. Watching the video tick, tick, tick. That's longer than Kaepernick taking a knee during the national anthem. People quick to judge instead of protesting along with him. Time amendment to Floyd's case, 9 minutes and 29 seconds. Break it down in 3 sections. 4 minutes and 45 seconds, he cried out for help. 53 seconds, he flailed due to seizures. 3 minutes and 51 seconds, Floyd was non-responsive, haunted by the words he screamed, "I can't breathe!" and begging to live. Tick, tick, tick. What would you give? Ahmaud Arbery, Breonna Taylor, Elijah McClain, Jacob Blake, and Daunte Wright, to name a few. A list too long of black Americans who did nothing wrong to deserve being murdered. Because society would like to deem black people a danger and enemy instead of bringing them up along with humanity. The media spin stories like Trayvon Martin wearing a hoodie. He must be from the hood and up to no good. Making excuses from Sandra Bland all the way back to Emmett Till. Too many names that'll make you feel ill. Stop killing black people. Imploring the AAPI community to stand with you. Anti-black sentiment needs to go, start a new chapter to continue to grow, and be the creators and heroes of our own show. It's time for white supremacy and racism to be overthrown. I'm tired of losing my brothers and sisters within the black community. A non-ending vicious cycle with no immunity. Let's build and work towards stronger unity. Break that fate before it's too late. What we say matters and can have ramifications on people's lives. So get it straight when I say black lives are precious and need to thrive. It's 2021 and accountability has yet to arrive. I know where I stand in the movement, but what side of history will you be on? The work, conversation, and dialogue are far from done. Solidarity now more than ever. Remember, stronger together.